Hello and welcome to Tour de Shy Guy Kart. Hi,
What's
Shy
up?
Guy Kart.
Hello.
So we are doing a second video of Shy Guy Kart. We all love this like driver sound game like idea, and we thought it would be a great game to play together.
Hello, I'm Angela's brother, the co-host, Mark.
Vice host. I'm Kristal, the president host of the game, and I kind of made it all up.
I'm Angela's husband, Ryan, future loser of the game.
No. And I'm Angela, and here's Shy Guy Kart.
Sup?
So Kristal put it together. Mark is co-hosting since we were concerned that Mark might have a good view of what's going on, and
We're in the same location. We were concerned he might see too much.
I know I might cheat, so
We took it off the table.
yeah.
So as always, I will let you know if this is a normal, super, or high-end driver before I play the sound. And Angela is up first. Are you ready for your first sound?
batters up.
This is a normal driver.
Normal. Okay.
So we allow you to look at your phone for ideas, but you can't play any sounds if you need some help.
So woohoo. Okay. That sounds like Peach. And you said
Of course, her
normal.
mind goes right to Peach.
Baby Peach. All right, I'm guessing Baby Peach.
It's baby Rosalina.
Dang, dang. Ugh, rough one.
Mark's putting L's for loser.
L or W.
Wow.
Yeah, right. Sorry, you read it on me.
Okay, Ryan is up next. Ryan has a high-end. Oh, thank you, co-host. High-end driver.
You can kind of see the screen on your yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Good thing I was looking down. I'm gonna go Holiday Cheer Daisy.
No,
Yeah.
it's Peach Explorer.
That's tough.
Oh.
Yeah.
That was a good
Yeah.
guess.
I don't
Yeah.
use her ever, and I don't have the sound on, so that doesn't help.
Would you have known that, Mark? Because you use Peach Explorer all the time.
I might have guessed that. I think I'm gonna guess the same as Ryan though.
Mm.
I'm not sure if
It was
Holiday
very
Cheer Daisy
cheerful.
actually has a sound.
Yeah. Kristal's throwing some rough pitches.
Yeah.
Kristal.
It's challenging this time. Okay, Shy Guy Kart. This is
Let's
a
go.
high-end driver.
Oh, Metal Mario.
Correct.
Dang.
All right.
Nice job.
Very good.
Good job.
Wasted no time. All right. Angela has a high end.
Here we go. Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
So my first guess was sort of a Luigi. And I don't have a lot of Luigis. I know it's not Waluigi Bus Driver because it's not all the blood.
Here we go.
I'm gonna guess. You said high end, right, Kristal?
Mm-hmm.
Luigi Vacation?
That is correct.
Wow.
Good
Good job.
Nice.
Yay.
She's on the board.
That leaves me to get one right.
All right, Ryan. You got a high end too.
All right.
All right.
Hmm.
It's
It's fun being the host, isn't it?
Yeah, I know.
No pressure.
It's so much stressful on the other
Man.
side. Like, oh my gosh, what does that sound like?
It's rough.
It is. That was a good pull. Angela, do you even have Vacation Luigi?
I do have him.
Okay.
I thought
Cost
we
me
all got 'em,
7
right?
pulls. I remember 7,
yeah.
10 pulls.
Oh,
I'm pretty confident I'm going to get this one wrong. Party time Toad.
That's right, Ryan.
wow.
That's right.
Ooh,
Yay.
nice.
I don't think I've ever heard it sound before.
Are you saying you never raced with him?
I
That's
have. I
shocking.
have his base points
What?
maxed out, but I probably auto raced him.
Hmm.
Okay, Shy Guy Kart, you're getting a normal driver.
Okay. Oh, Morton.
Easy
Oh, man.
ones, man.
Give me a challenging one. Give me a really challenging
He's our guest. I was trying to make it nice for him.
one. Give me a really hard one. Like a really hard one.
Okay,
I'd
okay,
say,
okay.
do another normal one, but do. Let's see, you guys do that.
Okay, I think for, hang on.
I feel like you remember the drivers that you don't like getting because like those sounds are like
Yeah.
ingrained in
Not
your
those
mind. You're like,
last ones.
no.
That's so true. So true.
Mhm.
I feel like that one's pretty hard.
Morton's one of those for me.
Okay.
I think, okay, they're getting harder from here on out, Shy Guy Kart. Okay.
Awesome.
Alright.
Just dialing it up.
Angela next.
Yes. Okay, Angela, you have a normal.
Okay. Oh,
Can we steal?
is it? I want to say it's Ludwig.
Yes, very
Okay.
good.
Nicely done.
Yay. Sounds like he has some girth to him under that sound.
Yeah.
It's a good sound. I like that one. Okay. Ryan gets a normal also.
Oh,
Hmm.
I think that's Iggy.
It is Iggy. Good
Nice.
job.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
done.
There we go.
I feel like
Hard
those
to steal.
normal Koopalings all sound pretty similar.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
good job distinguishing them. Okay. Shy Guy Kart, I hope this one is hard enough for you. I can find him. Okay, this is a high end.
Cat Toad.
Yes.
How did you get that
Nice.
so quick?
Nice job.
I knew it was a toad.
The
but
toads sound a lot the same.
They do.
Yeah.
How did you figure out it was cat toad so quickly?
Because that voice line I think is reused from another game, and I played that game a lot. So then I kind of put 2 and 2 together.
Mm.
So yeah,
That's
Nice.
awesome.
Nice.
Good job.
thank you.
All right.
I
So
love the
last-
cats, and even I didn't know that.
So you guys are all doing really well. So we're on our last round. Angela and Ryan, you both have 2 each. And Shy Guy Kart, you got 3. So last round, it's still everyone's in the game. All right. Angela, you're up first. High end.
Okay, high end.
Hmm.
This one's tough. I would not get it.
Yeah, no, you wouldn't.
Oh. Ryan, do you
Do
have
it
any thoughts? Do
you
you
do it
think
again?
you guys have a guess? I'll let Angela try to figure it out first, but
I have a guess.
I know who it is.
Oh no. I know a lot of the sounds, but this one's gonna stumping me. I have a guess. Dry Bones Gold.
Mhm.
whoa.
Correct.
Oh,
Mhm.
yay!
I actually remember that when you gave that one to Mark.
Mhm. That's why I said no, he wouldn't, because he couldn't get dry bones normal.
Hmm,
Good, Angela. Very
thank
good.
you.
Okay. Another high end. This is for Ryan.
All right. I do not know which one that is.
I really like being the host. Maybe I'll just host this game. You can, you can play it next time.
Although it does sound
You
kind of
said-
metallic.
You said high end, right?
High end.
Mhm. Oh, it's definitely a Shy Guy. Without a doubt, it's a Shy Guy. But I have 4 high-end Shy Guys, I think.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go with Gold Shy Guy.
Shy Guy Kart, do you know if he's right?
Yeah, Gold
Yeah,
Shy Guy.
he's right.
Yes.
Yay!
I did want to say I actually have pastry chefs. And I would give him to you if I could.
I need him. I need him so badly.
I think I got him on a free poll last year.
Oh, you're so lucky. What?
I know.
Oh my god.
He was I remember him being my only character on a Choco Mountain before I got PGP.
Oh yeah. Congratulations.
Thanks.
All right.
All right, Shy Guy Kart, you get a normal. You've been doing pretty good with these. We'll see.
Roy.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
Wait. Give me another high end. Give me another high end.
Okay.
Do one
Because
of the,
I memorized all the
one
comments.
of the
pretty much.
ladies. I feel.
Oh, okay.
Or do you like a
I feel like some of them are very easy because they say who they are,
Oh,
and I can't
yeah.
remember. Here,
Yeah,
I know
like-
this one's a little tricky.
Here we go.
Party Time Polly.
Yeah.
Love her.
Never mind.
I'll see if I can stump you with something.
Go
I
for
feel
it,
like we
Mark.
brought a knife to a gunfight.
Oh, I don't have this. So that means it's probably Yoshi Reindeer. Right?
No.
Oh my
New
god.
character.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's Yoshi Goldberg, yeah.
You got me there. You got
I
me there.
figured maybe if I went new enough, you wouldn't know it. but-
Yeah. That was a
That's
good one. That was a
awesome.
good one.
Is that Yoshi Gold Egg? Is that who it was?
Yeah.
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 I think all the Yoshis sound very similar, the
They-
high
yeah.
ends. It's hard.
Can you distinguish between the Yoshi high ends? I don't know. Can you? Like, are they different?
Yeah, you can.
They
Their
can't.
voices
oh,
are a bit different.
Cool.
well, you know.
Well, Shy Guy Kart, thank you so much. You
Yeah,
are the
thank
you.
master.
Yeah.
4 out of 4,
Well
and
done.
pretty convincing 4 out of 4. There
Yeah.
wasn't a whole lot of
No
thought at
hesitation.
times. That
Thank
was
you.
awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're the reigning master of our game.
You dethroned Angela. Thank you.
Yeah,
Wow.
thank you for beating
Wow.
Angela.
I think that wraps this one up.
Yeah.
We are in this special episode of Tour de Shy Guy Kart. Thank you for joining us. We had so much fun.
Thank you for having me.
Thank
keep,
you.
Keep racing and race with those Shy Guys and hold your rubies.
Hold you.
Hold your rubies.
Hold your rubies.
Hi, everyone.
Bye bye.